to person. Ice cream.
Coffee.
Ano ba yan? Goodbye.
Sabi si Tita talaga.
Can I sit here?
Shoes.
Okay, now we're here at Myeongdong. I'm just alone figuring out paano ako uuwi ng hotel, and then I'm gonna be back at Myeongdong. Now, kung nasan yung hotel, and I am really lost. So, I think I know the way na, but I'm still not sure if I am walking on the right path. So sana tama naman yung nilalakaran ko. So far yung mga nasa paligid ko, it's not familiar. Okay, so ganito kasi nangyari. Mag-isa lang ako ngayon kasi naiwan ko yung pocket money ko sa hotel. And according sa tour guide namin, parang 10 minutes walk lang naman daw siya from Myeongdong. Nung chinek ko sa online, 4 minutes walk lang. And ayun, mag-isa ako ngayon. Nina-navigate kung paano pupuntang hotel. And here's our hotel! So, next, anong gagawin ko dito? Kukuha ng pera. Tapos, magle-layer pa ng damit kasi sobrang lamig. Tapos, ina-navigate ko kung paano ulit ako babalik ng Myeongdong. Guys, we're here! We arrived at our hotel. Finally! I'm so proud of myself. So now we're heading back on Myeongdong. And I forgot kung saan yung daan. And the Wi-Fi is acting up. So I just hope na tama yung dadaanan ko right now.
Hello! Ito, Ate Fraga. Dito ka naman ba?
And your passport and money will come out, okay? And
sige na, okay na yan.